अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि दोस्तों आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो का हमारा टॉपिक है हाउ डज कार इंश्योरेंस वर्क। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो पहले जाकर हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करें ताकि इस तरह की वीडियो हम आपके लिए लाते रहें। सो फ्रेंड्स, बगैर देर किए हम जाते हैं अपने टॉपिक की जानिब। हाउ डज कार इंश्योरेंस वर्क? Depending on the policy you choose, car insurance can provide financial protections in the events your car is damaged or stolen, you are injured in an accident, or you are at fault for an accident that causes bodily injury or property damage. Car insurance can also help you meet any minimum coverage requirements mandated by your state or required by a lender. On this page you will come some of the common types of the car insurance and offer some tips for deciding how much coverage you need and finding the best affordable car insurance available to you. What is car insurance? Car insurance provides financial protections if you are in a car accident, your vehicle is damaged in a non-collision events, falling trails, hails, or your car is stolen. In exchange for a premium, the amount of money you pay for a policy, the insurer will pay for covered expenses depending on the type of policy you choose. This can include property damage or bodily injuries you or and other drivers or passengers sustains. Every policy is based on limits on the maximum amount the insurance company will pay on the claim. Some types of coverage also carry deductibles or the amount you have to pay before the insurer will cover remaining costs. There are several types of insurance available. You can customize a policy to get the insurance coverage you need. Kinds of car insurance coverage. Liability insurance. Liability coverage pays for costs accepted with an accident for which you are found guilty or at fault. Liability insurance generally includes two types of coverage. Number one, bodily injury. This covers the expenses related to injuries or death for others and other drivers, their passengers, or pedestrians when you are at fault. Property damage. This covers at the expense of a repair or replacements of other properties, fencings, or homes your damage when operating your vehicles. Most states require drivers to carry a minimum amount of liability coverage before they can register and operate a vehicle in a state. You can find out how much liability coverage you need by visiting states for Department of Motor Vehicles or by visiting our auto insurance by state guide. Learn more about how ability car insurance works. Uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage provides financial protection if you are hurt in an accident and the other drivers does not have a car insurance. Depending on where you live, this coverage may extend to cover property damage. Uninsured motorist coverage also pays if you are the victims of the hit and runs. Your state may require to carry minimum amount of the uninsured motorist coverage. You may also want to consider underinsured motorist coverage, which typically pays the difference between the expenses and the policy of the drivers at fault. However, in some states, under uninsured motorist coverage is not applicable unless your understood motorist limits are greater than the ability limits of the other drivers. Personal injury protections. Also got no faults coverage. This insurance pays the medical expenses of you and your passenger if you are injured and accident regardless of your or of who is at fault. Pipe may also apply. You are riding bike if hit by the vehicles. In some cases, pay coverage might reimburse your for lost wages and expense can not from while recovering such as house cleaning. So I hope friends आज की वीडियो आपको हमारी अच्छी लगी होगी. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. अल्लाह हाफिज.